Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato soup from a packet. First, gather your ingredients and tools. You'll need your soup packet, the recommended amount of water or milk, and a saucepan. Always check the packet for precise liquid measurements, as they can vary. Having a whisk or spoon nearby will make the mixing process much smoother. This simple preparation ensures you're ready for the next steps. Now let's get cooking. Carefully empty the entire contents of your tomato soup packet into the saucepan. Next, slowly pour in the water or milk, following the exact measurements from the packet. As you add the liquid, continuously whisk the mixture. This is crucial for preventing any lumps and achieving a perfectly smooth, creamy consistency for your delicious soup. Once thoroughly mixed, place your saucepan on the stove over medium heat. Bring the soup to a gentle boil, watching it closely. As soon as it starts to boil, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Your soup is now ready to be served hot, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh herbs or a dollop of cream. There you have it, a quick and satisfying bowl of tomato soup made right from a packet. Feel free to customize it with your favorite toppings, like crunchy croutons, a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese, or a swirl of basil pesto. It's a versatile and comforting meal perfect for any day. Also, for some great deals and that amazing sock link, be sure to check out the description below this video. Enjoy every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.